Hi team, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, you're
Thanks for
audible.
acknowledging. Thanks
Yes,
for
sir.
acknowledging.
Audible, sir. Audible.
Yeah. Thanks for acknowledging. Actually, I am the trainer of the session, Saravanan. We'll wait few minutes others to join. I can see only 22 members as of now joined, right? You can hear me clearly, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
We'll wait few more minutes others to join. Once they have joined, we'll start their session. And today's session's introduction and SQL topics, which are I am going to cover, we are going to discuss on it. Clear?
Okay,
Before
sir.
that, how we are getting data, what is database, everything we are going to discuss. Clear? It's just a small agenda. Okay. I hope from tomorrow onwards, everybody will present. I will speak about that once everybody has joined. Clear? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please wait few minutes. We'll start. Okay. Others to join. I think we'll start with the introduction. As I told, I am Shravan and Ryan of the session. I am having almost 10 plus years of experience in this domain as a database developer, SQL and PLSQL, Unix. If you want, I'm working in top MNC, and as well as if you want to clarify anything regarding your job or any kind of things, if you have any concerns, you can ask me and clarify. Okay, please go with your introduction. Anyone can please start and introduce yourself. Others will join, followed by you.
Hello.
Hi,
Okay,
somebody's
hello.
trying to say something. Right?
Hello,
I
all.
heard hello. Yeah, go ahead, please.
Good evening. My name is Priya. So I'm from, I previously worked in incident management. I'm currently in Singapore. So I have joined this course to thinking about switching my career to data analytics.
Okay. Currently, you are in which domain?
I was in incident management. Currently, I'm looking for
Oh,
opportunity.
ASG, right? You are in
Yeah,
ASG, right?
Singapore, yes.
Oh, in Singapore. Okay. Okay. In which organization? Oh, sorry, not organization. Which project?
No, I was previously working for JP Morgan, but currently I don't have job,
Okay.
so I'm looking for job.
Okay. Good. 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 There's a lot of opportunity for everybody to join us. Nothing to worry.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, go on.
Hello.
Hello.
Stop.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I'm Geetanjali. Today is my first class. Currently, I'm working as a custom safety analyst. Meanwhile, I'm looking for a job related to data analytics. So, I'm
Thanks,
Hello.
Geetanjali, for your introduction.
Hello,
Next.
my name is Sai Prasanna. I have been working with E2 Open as an analyst. So it is a non-technical domain. I am trying to change my domain to technical. So I am here. So I have finished my Python and now I'm an SQL.
Good. How you feel while learning Python? Whether it's easy or intermediate or difficult?
Yeah, it's a bit tricky as I belong to non-IT technical field, but it is
Okay.
good with the recording. I'm able to understand the concepts. So I am
Good. If
thinking the
you
same
keep
thing will happen here also.
good. If you keep on practice means it will very easy to you. Okay. You
Yeah.
apply your logic to everything, even though if it is wrong, you just try with that. You will get some ideas.
Yes.
Even
Yeah.
it's applicable in SQL as well. Okay. SQL is the base
Okay.
language for every applications, like every technology with like Java with SQL, Python with SQL, Azure with SQL, AWS with SQL. You can join SQL any kind of technology.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next. Thank you. Next.
Good evening, Arun sir, and friends, everyone.
Yes. Good evening.
I'm Gaurav Manoharan sir. Right now, I'm working as a logistic professional in Foster Chemicals. So now I have planned to move on to in data analytics career. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you, Gauri Manohar.
Sir, right now I'm working in Foster Chemicals, sir, in Kulvanagalli.
Oh, good, good, good. Thanks for your introduction. Next.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Fine.
Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is
Good
Christopher.
evening.
I'm from merchant navy background, so I've been sailing for a few years now. I joined a shore organization based out of Singapore, so I'll be joining the organization next month, and I'm learning to basically to add additional skill. Basically, I need to learn Power BI, and they told that SQL would be helpful to learn it before Power BI. So that's the point
Yeah,
of
yeah,
it
it's good. Yeah,
for learning
yeah.
the SQL. Yeah.
For, for analyst, SQL and Power BI else Tableau. Either Power BI or Tableau is a must because Power BI and Tableau are presentation tool. The query which you are, the data which you have taken from SQL queries, right?
Hmm.
You will present by using Power BI and Tableau tools or else BI publishers. Previously, they have used BI publishers, RTF reports. Nowadays, they upgrade to cloud and they have started used to Power BI, Tableau, everything. Good.
Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you.
I get.
Thank you for
Yeah.
your
Thank you.
introduction. Anyone wants to highlight? Or anyone wants to introduce yourself?
Hi all. Hi, sir.
Hi. Hi, hi.
I'm Donna. I'm a student. I'm doing my PG right now. Actually, I don't have any idea about this. This is out of my stream, so I just wanted to learn more about this. That's it.
Good. Okay. That's it, right? Anybody wants to intro or you want to highlight
Hi
anything?
everyone.
Hi.
Hi sir. My name is Swarna
Hmm.
Naraj. I'm working as a content writer and also now I'm just trying to switch my career to this side like non-IT side of because I completed my manual testing. Now I am at SQL. Hope
Hmm.
this also goes well as like manual testing. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. And I hope here 90% of people's from non-IT to switching to IT, right? I
Yes,
hope
yes, sir.
I
Yes.
could see commonly like everybody saying like that's why I'm asking to introduce everyone. I can know the percentage of persons who are all from non-IT to IT or is somebody working in IT with some other technology. To know the percentage of I'm asking you guys to introduce. But I come to know that there is a lot of persons from non-IT to IT, right? So based on that, I will go with the sessions from scratch. Okay, it always
Oh,
from scratch. You nothing to worry about that. And day by day, we'll get a notes once I have complete the session. Okay, each and every topic wise. And if you have any doubts or anything to highlight, you just stop at the time itself and highlight that. I will explain you. And I am comfortable with English and Tamil, both the language. If you want me to explain in Tamil means let me know. I will explain Tamil as well. Clear?
Yes sir.
Good.
Okay, sir.
And thank you. SQL is one of the easiest language, which is the best language for all technologies. Nowadays, without data, there is nothing, right? Each and every application is having data, right? Even we are using Microsoft account, there are also database is there, right? Database server is there, right? You are using all your user ID password, right? Where it stores. It will stores in database. Am I right? If I'm not wrong. Until data is there, database developer scope will be high. Clear? Clear? And everybody done your sites, right? That introduction here, or else anybody wants to highlight or introduce means let me know. We'll
Hello, I just
we
joined
can go.
Hariprasad here.
Yeah, Hari Prasad, tell me.
Yeah, I hold 17 years of experience in IT industry, and
Good.
I was a Java developer and automation tester in my previous concern. So currently, I am owning a
In
project.
Java,
Yeah, go on.
good. In Java, which base it is like a Spring Boot, Angular, they will say, right?
Spring Boot
JavaScript,
and microservices.
Spring
Yeah,
Boot.
yes.
Good, good,
So
good
later,
guy. No,
I just moved to the leadership roles, and currently I'm a business analyst for a banking domain.
good.
So I just wanted to switch my career from a business analyst to a data scientist. So that's why I'm here in this particular program. I hold 17
Good.
plus years of experience as a BA. I have 7 years of experience. But even then, I wanted to pursue something in data science and move ahead with data science along with Gen AI. So that's my
It's
objective.
good actually. Even I too from BFS side of mine.
Great.
Mm,
Nice to
Happy to
know.
hear this.
but I don't know your name, so it's showing as software testing Besant.
Yeah, I was joined with different credentials, so it's showing software testing.
Can I call you by your
Actually, my
name?
name is yeah. My name is Sharavanan. Saravan.
Saran. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice talking to you, Saran. So
You can call
I
me
hope
Saravan.
this is
Okay.
what you were looking for in the intro.
Yeah. I thought my name is visible. Sorry to miss that. Even though I thought I have highlighted my name. Sorry, if I missed, sorry for that.
Cool, no problem. So I did my
Okay.
Java, Oracle, PL, SQL certification about 10 years ago. So this session I can refresh my knowledge on the software that we are going to
Good.
discuss in the consecutive
Good.
program,
Good.
consecutive sessions. Yeah.
Mm.
It's
Yeah.
been
Whether
long.
you have completed any other technology before SQL in investment, like Python, Power BI, anything you have completed, or
When I
is
was
this is
so I was just understanding something relating to data science, machine learning, and
mm.
deep learning. So my focus
Okay.
is on these four areas
Mm.
predominantly.
Good. It is your first technology, right? Investment. SQL is your first technology, right?
I learned SQL, Java, and Oracle 10 years before. But this session would be
No,
a
no, no, no.
refresh.
No. I can understand that. In Basant, today is your first session, right? You haven't done any
Exactly.
of the
Yes,
tech
yes, yes.
courses
Totally.
like Power BI. I'm
This
asking
is
that. Okay, cool. First session, right? Thank you. Thank you, Hari Prasad.
thank you, sir.
Okay. Mhm. Whether you have used SQL in Java while creating application UI, right? By using framework.
Hi, hi, good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening, Akshay, right?
Myself, Akshay. Yes, sir. Myself, Akshay. I completed my BCA recently, and I want to learn
Hmm.
from scratch. Sir. I'm new to this domain. Everyone are
Hmm.
experienced, have experience in this field, but I wanted to learn from scratch. So you need please train me from
Good.
scratch on this.
Yeah, it will comes from scratch. Okay, nothing to worry about that. Okay,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
thank you, thank you.
Myself,
Hi.
Silamarasi.
Hi.
I'm audible?
Anyone, please? Yeah, you are
Yeah.
audible.
Yeah, myself, Silamarasi. I have 9 years of experience in the IT in .NET actually. I recently
.NET.
moved to I recently moved to Dubai. So here the opportunity for .NET is quite bit low. So for that I was like
Hmm.
trying to switch to Python, data science, Python like that.
Hmm. Good.
Hi, good evening, all. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Please go on.
Hi, my name is Kusum, and I'm from project management background. I am looking for roles into business or data analytics, and that's the reason I've joined this course with Besant.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Um, before starting the session, we'll go with what is SQL. Okay, SQL is nothing but structured query language. Okay, it will structured query language, and it's a not a case sensitive statement. Like in Java, if you have missed anything like it's in main, right? If you have missed a capital or capital throw error, if I'm not wrong. In file name, if you have missed uppercase, it is not in any cap format, means it will throw the error. Am I right? So it's not a case sensitive statement, and everything will compressed under select and from. Okay, and there is a few type of tools to compile the SQL codes, like SQL developer, PLSQL developer, Toad, MySQL, and PLS. As I said, PLSQL developer, right? Whether I have said PLSQL developer is the like this few of the SQL plus few of the tools we are having to compile our SQL queries, and um, anybody know how we are getting data? What as I'm I'm asking generically, not any technically. Sources of data. Anybody can please tell me the sources of data. What are the way we are getting a data? It's not into database. I'm generally asking how we can collect the data.
From the user's input. So
Hmm?
user's input.
Users input. Good. Okay. What is database? Generally. It's not any technically. I'm just asking what is database. That's it. Collection of data we called as a database. Yep. Collections of data. And we are getting the values from user inputs, and where it stores means it stores in database. How it stores? For example, we are having a Facebook sign up page, right? Am I right? What are the user inputs have we provided? Not only Facebook, Zomato, Swiggy, whatever application it is.
Username and password.
Username and password. To generate username and password, what are the things we have to give? Or all
Your
details? First
name,
last
email
date of
ID.
birth. Okay, where this data goes? How you are getting the membership renewal message and all kind of things? Where it goes? Where those data goes? Any idea?
Into that particular database.
Into that particular database. How it's transferred? How data transits to application to database? Via interface. Yeah, Gary, go ahead. You try to say something, right?
There would be a server within which there would be
Hmm.
some rows and columns grid. So to this, the
Grid,
information that we pass in the UI will get stored, and from there, when it is getting fetched using a call function, we can retrieve the information.
Data information and the data transition we called as a interface link, right? The data, that link between that interface link we called as a server. From database server to even print and UI server, it will transfer the data. Okay, we call that as a API, application interface. Clear? Via application interface, the data will transfer to application to database. Clear? Before going into SQL, we have to know what are the sources we are getting the data. Am I right? We know database will have data, but where we are getting those data? That is our question, right? One is via application. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Another one is via ETL developers. Via ETL developers, data stage developers, which is nothing but you are raising on Wi-Fi request to for your home or office number. Okay. You are filling the form, registration form, if I'm not wrong, right? I believe that while raising the Wi-Fi request, we have to fill the form. Am I right? If you have made any mistake, instead of giving 2 or 3, you have made as 2, 4. Okay. Again, you are raising new request, right? Am I right?
Yes,
Again,
sir.
you will raise a new request, right? On that place, it's a duplicate value will occurs, right? It will generate one duplicate value, right? Am I right? If you're raising multiple times means one record will be the duplicate record. Am I right? Whether we can load this duplicate record into the database as it is? No. Am I right? Data discrepancy happen. Right? Data mismatch will be happen. Am I right? So this data will saved in Excel. Okay. What are the things you can see as a registration form? Even though we are providing in percent one link, right? While clicking that link, you can able to see the form. You are filling the data, your name, mail ID, which course you are learning, and when it's completed, trainer name, everything. If I'm not wrong, if who are all done previously any technology, they will know that, right? They have filled, I believe. Those data will go into the Excel sheet, right? That Excel sheet will hand over to ETL developers. In real time, they will format sequential file, dataset file like that. They will hand over to the ETL developers. They will, by using, there is a lot of tool for purifying the data. Okay. The duplication records will purify and load it into the database as a pure data. They will extract the data from the file. They will do the transform. In the transform stage only, they will do all the activities like remove duplicate records and multiple records converted to a single records, lookup, everything we will do it in transform method. Then they will load into the sequential file or flat file, whatever, or it directly into the database. Yeah, there's a two type of tools. One via application interface, another one is the ETL developers. Clear? Any doubt as of now before going into the session? I'm just showing you. I'm just asking you what are the type of data we are, what are the source of the data we are getting, and if there is a multiple data means nothing but a collection of data means nothing but a database. And as of now, we have seen sources of data, right? Any doubt? If I'm opening one schema means there will be Oracle predefined tables. How we are getting the data? As of now, sources of data we have discussed. Any doubt on sources of data? It's not technically, just a knowledge purpose I have taken this. We have to know, right, where we are getting the data. That's why. Any doubt? No, I haven't shared. It's just a generic discussion. That's it. I haven't shared my screen. It's generic discussion. That's it. Before going to the topic, we have to know how we are getting data, right? That's the thing I have to tell. We are API and ETL developers. Yeah. If we are creating one table and if we are inserting values into the table, means it's nothing but a user-defined data. Clear? Yeah, okay. Now let me come into the point. Let me share my screen. Today I will share you the software link. Please try to install the software as soon as possible. Let me show you how to unlock the Oracle user, which is contains few tables for learning purpose. Clear? Which is created by Oracle for learning purpose. Let me know once my screen is visible.
Visible.
Okay. I will share you the drive link of the software. You can able to see the software link. You just download that software into your local machine. Then you just click to install. While install, you have to give a password, a small letter admin. Okay, it's very easy to install. It's a user friendly. No need to go through any videos or Google Sheets. It's just a normal thing. Okay, how we are installing our applications in mobile like that only. While installing, you have to give the admin small letter, okay, which is used to unlock the administration account. Confirm password as well as password is nothing but a small letter lowercase admin. Clear? Then you have to install the software. Once you have installed the software, you have to log it in via administration account, which is nothing but sys and admin. Clear? Sys then admin. Here you could see a database administrator, right? Administration, right? Just click that database user, manage user. You could see here the HR, right? HR with database icon. It was in locked symbol. Okay, it was in locked symbol. With locked symbol, just click that schema. Here you could able to see it's unlocked, right? Right? It will be previously locked. Just unlock. Scroll down. You have to check this all. Okay, just by clicking check all. Clear? Include DBA rule as well. I'm going to teach you one of the DBA rule as well in grant and revoke. How we are giving permission to our table to others user. Like the DBA activities also we are going to see. Okay, how we are creating a user. For that, we have to use DBA option as well. You just click everything. Yeah. And give password whatever you want. After you have provided the password, you just click alter user. After that, you have just log out and log in via HR user. Here SQL commands. Here only we are going to write on our queries, right? Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you have stuck any word, you just gone through the class recordings. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Let me share you the topics which are just overview of the topics which we are going to cover. Okay, it will be in basic to intermediate. Okay, nothing to worry about that. It is from scratch. As of now, what we have discussed, just ignored. I have to just explain you how we are getting a data. That's it. Let me share it in Teams chat as well as let me share my screen and explain it. Whether everybody received the topics, right? Okay, you can able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. First one is nothing but basic SQL statement, which means what are the clauses we are having, how we are forming the SQL query. These kind of things we'll see under we are going to saw under basic SQL statement. In relational operator, we are having table, right? Shall I know the structure of the table? How it will be? It will be the combination of rows and columns. Am I right? Am I right? If there is a table, means the table should contain records. How we are fetching that record? For report purpose, like some particular records. Okay, by you how we are using filter conditions. Like relational operator, we will see the operators like equal to, greater than equal to, lesser than equal to, and not in like, not like between, not between. These kind of operators we are going to see in relational operator. Okay, single row function, which is the main topic they are using in real time. Under single row function, we are going to see how we are handling the string values inside the table. Okay, if I want to print all letter as a capital letter, else all letter as a small letter in table means by using single row function I can do. If I want to convert the date functions, there is a date format for Oracle. Okay, if I'm getting data into Oracle other than Oracle date format means how can I convert into Oracle date format? How can I print day alone, date alone, year alone? These kind of the functions, right? I want to know the length of the value and I want to add junk prefix and suffix of the value. How can I? These kind of things we'll see in single row functions. Okay. Ignores external table will tell you later. Sorting data. Okay, sorting data is used to arrange the data A to Z and Z to A. Nothing but ascending and descending. Okay. For example, I'm having one table. I'm querying the table. Just let me show you. We'll discuss about table and all later. I'm just giving overview of the topics. That's it. I'm having one table in the name of employees. Okay. Here I'm having some names, right? Here I want to search the Nancy means I have to search one by one, right? Am I right? One by one until this 10 records. Even there can be a 2 Nancy or 3 Nancy as well, right? If I sort the data from A to Z means directly I can go to N. I will pick the Nancy names, right? For increase the performance of the query, we are using the sorting data and index. Okay. Index is also used to increase the performance of the query, which is automatically sorting the data into the ascending order. Synonym means if you are creating a duplicate name for the table, it's nothing but a synonym. Sequence is nothing but auto-generate numerical value. Okay. And we'll come to SQL loader, DDL, DML, DCL. DML is nothing but data manipulation language. DDL is nothing but data definition language. Under DDL only, we are having create, alter, drop. We can create table, update, alter table by using DDL commands. Clear? We are going to see in DDL only how to create a table, alter table, how to delete a table, these kind of things. Okay. In DML, data manipulation language, which means here only we are going to see how to insert the record into the table, how we can update the record into the table, how can we delete some particular record into the table, we can see in DML. TCL is used to save and undo. It's nothing but save and undo, commit, rollback. If I am returning one query, I want to save that permanently, means by using TCL transaction, I can do that. If I made any mistake, until or unless I'm saving, I can able to roll back the changes. I can undo the changes by using rollback keyword. Okay. DCL is nothing but data control language, which is used to give access to our tables to another schema, another user. Okay, I'm having one table in the name of employees. Other user also can able to access this table. Okay. Don't get confused on anything. It's just a overview of the topic. While taking the topic, you will get in depth. Okay. What are the things, each and everything I will send you the notes. Okay, nothing to worry. What are the things I'm speaking here orally, right? Everything will get as notes. How to create user, these kind of things we'll see under data control language. Then constraint. While creating table, how can we restrict data that can go into the table? By using constraint only, we are going to restrict the data. Okay. Pseudo column is nothing but a key columns. What are the Oracle predefined key columns we are having in the SQL? We are going to see under pseudo columns. Okay. Set operator is used to view multiple table records into this single output. Okay. And joins. Joins is used to join multiple tables. Okay. For example, here I have shown you the employee table, right? Like that, if I want to join two table, means by using joins, I can be able to join the two table. Now we'll see about SQL loader. If it is a single value, means we can insert. If it is 1,000 of records or 10,000 of record, means we can't able to insert in. We can't able to return a query, right, for 1,000 records. By using SQL loader only, we will load that data. Okay, in external table, it is also one of the type of SQL loader. In SQL loader, we will create tables first. After that, we will load data. In external table, by creating table itself, we will return a load query as well. Then group function to know the maximum value, minimum value, average value. Everything will come under group function. Analytical function is nothing but a ranking function. There we could able to ranking. We could see the ranking like row number for each and every row. This kind of activity we are doing in analytical function. Views its visual table. We are getting output of the query, right? We can save it as a catchy, like a snapshot in the database. Subquery is nothing but a select query, which is contained another select query is nothing but a subquery. These are the real-time topics we are going to see in the upcoming sessions. Okay, clear? Each and every topic we are going to see in depthly by taking these sessions. Yeah. Before that, ensure that everybody is having software with you. Clear? Anything want to discuss about topics?
So we need to install this software SQL, right? So we need to. Is it a freeware? Can you also share the steps for installation, Saruna?
Yeah. Actually, it's very easy to install. It's a user friendly. I will share you the software setup file drive link to in WhatsApp. You can get it from there.
So if you cover all these topics, does it mean after we know that's all will complete SQL, or there are many more things?
No. Maximum topic, real-time topic, I am good. This much topic, I'm taking not only as an analyst point of view, as a developer point of view as well. Okay?
Okay.
Because if your analyst means there is no joins or index, analysts won't create index joins and all. Right? They are for reporting purpose. They want to know how to take a data and how can we present by using Power BI or Tableau. Right? Yeah, I'm sharing everything as a developer point of view. You can become a SQL developer as well if you are clearly on this concept.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
So, whatever we learn here in this session of yours, these syntaxes or commands or statements, whatever you call them, all these are applicable for all kinds of servers like
Yeah,
MySQL,
yeah,
Microsoft.
absolutely. Yeah, it will be applicable for all servers. If you, even though if you have day by day, you can try with that software as well. It will be little change with MySQL one alone, just 2%. Other than that, everything is same. Okay, it's a tool different. It's a different tool, right? Some settings will be different. Other than that, 95 to 98% everything is same. Okay, create table, insert values, everything.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubts? No, right? On topics, and
So
I will share you the.
as it has been informed as me,
Yeah, go.
yes, actually it will go from the basic, right? I just want to make sure
Yeah.
once again because I'm not
Yeah.
from IT background, so I just want to know
Nothing to
from the
worry.
scratch.
That's why I have mentioned that it's basic to intermediate.
All right.
Yeah, that's why I'm asked you to intro yourself to know the percentage of the persons. Here I could be able to see a lot of persons from non-IT to IT, right? So I have gone with the very basics. Okay. What I am speaking is look, you won't get as soon as possible. And you can just revise. You can just hear the recording again. You will get some idea.
Yes.
It's difficult to catch up first time. Okay.
Yes,
If you are keep on working on it, you will get idea on it. Okay, you to familiar or next year.
Yes, thank you. Hi, sir.
Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah, sir. In data analytic overview, which topic need to focus on mostly?
Mostly joins, subqueries, and I hope this topic is enough. Joins and subqueries to know and single row functions. That's it. If you are being developer, means developer only will create the table and alter the table. Everything will take care of developer. Analyst point of view, they will only fetch the records from the database. For fetching records from the database, we are having analytical functions to know rankings, right? If they are asking you to feature records with ranking, means you have to know analytical functions, group functions, and single row functions, and subqueries, views, synonyms. These kind of activities you have.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Other than that, SQL or everything comes for comes under developers things, external tables, SQL loaders, index. Everything is query development. Creating. We are going to create a queries. Okay, but you have to. It's good to know. Okay, guys. I will share you the drive link today. Please ensure that you have installed your software before tomorrow's session. We'll see tomorrow and ensure everybody present on time tomorrow onwards. Clear? Because I could see today only
Oh, one
35
more
members
basic
has been.
question. surrounding.
go ahead. Yeah.
So there are different names for MySQL, right? So some call it as SQL, SQL service, and PLSQL. So what is PLSQL? Is it the same as MySQL, or is it a separate
Actually,
language?
yeah, no. Actually, extension version of the SQL only PLSQL. What other things we are returning here? It will permanently, by using PLSQL, we will store in the database. It's a highly secured code. Okay, we can't able to view any output value we have used PLSQL, which is one of the main scope today, up to date. We call it as encapsulation, right? Which is nothing but secured of data. We can't able to view it where we are getting data, how we are getting data, but we will get an output. What data we are getting as input, we can't able to, because we won't do any output value. What other things we are returning here, we will create as a procedure and packages. We can able, if I run one package, means I could be able to get 10 activities in single transaction.
Okay.
Extension version of SQL only PLSQL. Okay, it's applicable for MySQL, everything. That is the code for package, procedure, triggers, everything for MySQL.
Yeah, got you, sir. And once we see some codings, maybe I can understand it better.
And
Thank you.
it's only SQL, so we won't cover any PLSQL.
Okay.
Since it's SQL.
So it's an encrypted version of SQL, right?
It's extension procedure version of SQL. That's it. Extension version. That's it.
Yeah. Thanks.
Overall, learned SQL. They are easy to learn PLSQL, and they can be a full-time database developer in real time. That's it.
Okay, makes sense.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Let me share the drive link to you. Please download those software. Okay. Thank you. We'll see tomorrow with fresh topics, introductions. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to see practical classes. Okay. Each by ear, each and every topic. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you.